What is life? Life is the condition that distinguishes animals and plants from inorganic matters, including the capacity for growth, reproduction, functional activity, and continual change preceding death. Biology is the study of life. There are many different forms of life, such as animals, plants, fungi, and bacteria. There is life on all 7 continents. In different regions, there are different forms of life, such as polar bears in an Arctic environment. You wouldn't see a seal in the rainforest, would you? All living things need certain things to survive, such as animals need food and water. You will learn about this in biology this year.